Well, it's Moses Mabhida. This is True Pass. We just witnessed a beautiful game between AmaZulu and Mamelodi Sundowns. Mangisiqala ngapha ngibona inkomo. Bathi inkomo yosuthu baba njani?
Akahamba kahle.
Yeah.
Hayi uZulu akafi mfethu akaphela amandla. Hey mfethu besibambile igame mfethu. Kwasho ukuthi amandla aphela ekugcineni bafowethu. Hayi.
Kuthiwa kuyophela inhlamvu uzulelo kwenceke.
Akuyophela inhlamvu nayi inkomo la ikhona, nayi inkomo la ikhona.
But wena ngowakho kuyibona igame ngibona AmaZulu engazi ukuthi ayibambile besithi siyakudraw. Unfortunately, Alende comes in and then managed to get a goal.
Hey naleli channel lengelela ushintsho. Hey lengelela ushintsho la channel lingibulele. Lingibulele.
Lidinga le nkomo le njani uhlaba ngale.
Hey kube seduze ngabe ngihlaba ngayimpondo manje manje likude.
No, siyabonga kakhulu baba. Moving forward kodwa maswabheka AmaZulu, they are playing a very beautiful game. And uma ubheka iningi into esazokwenzeka na top 8 azokwazi ukungena.
Ayisebenza ngiphazamisa ke laba manje. Hayi bafethu ukuthi Sundowns ishaya experience la experience. I experience bethi balekile mfethu ngibone ukuthi ishaya experience. Siyabonga bafethu.
This is True Pass. Moses Mabhida. Siqeda kubona igame emnandi amaSandawana ebhekene namaZulu. It was a beautiful game. We saw so many chances from both sides kodwa amaSandawana end up winning the game namhlanje. Thomas, niyibone kanjani igame namhlanje?
What a tough game. Very difficult game. AmaZulu are contained kakhulu. They packed the pass. Bapake pass kakhulu. Sa create a lot of chances, but we were not scoring. We were not scoring today. Sundowns was not scoring today. At least we got few chances. Clear cut chances, but we are why utilizing. Thanks to the coach for introducing Ureinas no Alende, so that we can change the game and win the game.
Yeah, we saw some chances where ibola lishaye khona ipholi. Even uNdamane the head lapha wayibamba goalkeeper. And besithi umdlala nangu umdlalo usuyaphela ngathi igoli liqhamuka.
Those were clear cuts. Those were clear cut chances. No, simishisa amaningi ama chances ukwenzela ukuthi sokwazi ukufica Pirates. We need to close the gap. Now it's 38 points now. 17 games. We are fighting now. Whoever loses the game, he lose the league.
Somebody said igame ayiwinwa, I mean ileague ayiwinwa ngoDecember.
No, I told them, I once told them, let's wait for May. Sundowns is still coming. Sundowns is still coming. Now it's our time now. We'll never lose a game now. We will collect 30 points in a row in 10 games. In 10 games. Next week we're playing Skukune on Saturday. We'll win the game. Another 3 points in.
So you hope amakhosi akwenzela umsebenzi on Saturday?
Please, if they can play just a draw. We are looking for a draw. Just a draw. Thank you so much.
This is True Pass. This is Moses Mabhida. We just witnessed a beautiful game between Mamelodi Sundowns and AmaZulu, and unfortunately AmaZulu suffered a defeat at home. But masithi qala we've got our usual especially Babu Gatsheni. Sibana noma sijabulile noma singajabulanga. Gatsheni yaphila.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hayi sikahle nathi. It's not a beautiful game today for uSuthu. No, it was a beautiful game but not a beautiful result.
Yeah, it was a beautiful game but not a beautiful result. I still believe we played very well.
Yeah.
We came to the party. We knew that we were going to face a very tough team. Sundowns is a very tough team, but we managed our game very well.
Yeah.
It's just that it was a lack of concentration in the dying minute. Yeah, just a lack of concentration. But we created so many chances. I blame my boss for not finishing those chances because now we ended up on a losing side. But we were going to win the game because clear chances, one-on-one. I think Makawolo had a good chance. Also Hatebe and Ngwenya.
That first half, one-on-one with the goalkeeper.
One-on-one with the goalkeeper. I think bengimelenza kangcono kakhulu. But asikhali kakhulu samaZulu because i-team yethu abafana semva kwabo siyazi ozwane basabuilda kahle basabuilda but siyawubona umsebenzi wabo and kukhulu ukuyeza sidlalile le game. Le game nje sidlale kakhulu ngesikhalo 1-0 iSportsompetha but besifuna thina ukubadla ngawo 1-0 okungcono not ukuthi kube yibona abadla thina ngoba bazosichomela manje ngathi bayiteam enkulu kanti sesibambile ingqondo yabo
ukuthi benza kanjani
ukuthi defensively abekho coach kulula ukubakreka labantu laba uma ngasethi ibhola zakubona bayavula ngoba if abavuli mabamba ibhola yakubona bengasathole lawa ba1-on-1 laba 1-on-1 akhombisa ukuthi kwi-defense abekho mnandi.
I think Gatsheni enye into obukapitalize ngayo ispeed because mawusibheka lapha emuva kweSundowns abanaso ispeed.
Bebazi ukuthi sobashana ngespeed bahlulekile ukusimaka bazi leyo nto isho ukuthi i-defense yabo ayikho good because maybe analyze bebheka ama-games amaZulu bayazi ukuthi sinabadlali abanespeed but bahlulekile thina besikwazi ukuthi ngespeed sethu senze sure bona bayacrack besibacrack it's just that abafana bethu bebetatazela mase kumele bathathe ama-chance alula ba-enda bebengasakoranga kodwa i-Sundowns sina akukho la ishiye khona it's just that ithole lo 1 goal kuphela.
Hard luck Gatsheni, but on a positive note sondela now put mdala. On a positive note, Nedbank Cup we are still on and there's something positive that could come.
I'm telling you, in next week on the 7th or 8th, maybe we're playing on the 7th or on the 8th, we don't know asas. But I'm telling you, as Usuthu, you saw abafana ukuthi badlale kanjani today. So with this team spirit, so wenza kahle kakhulu kwi-Nedbank Cup.
But abantu enibhekene nabo kwi-Nedbank Cup khumbula ukuthi they are giant killers. Baqeda khipha abanye abangani bethu. So alukho uvalo.
Ngibingelele uGodide lona umntaka Godide uSuthu. I-Calic Stars abafana kade befuna udumela kwi-Pirates. Mina nje angibasabi futhi ke bona bebedlala eOrlando kwi-stadium esincane mina ngizobafaka la stadium
Moses
Mabhida bazokhathala ababudaka ngibalindele kodwa ngizothi ngifika kubona ngizobe ngiqale ngadlala eMagesi iwomaphi eMagesi ngoba ngoya kubona ngoba sengirash kakhulu.
No hard luck bafethu namhlanje kuyobuye kulunge next game.
No abafana badlalile mina nje hayi kuhle just nje ukuthi amathuba sasebenzisa ngendlela right kodwa ngokuzazi wasebenzisa.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Sikade kubona a beautiful game la masendawana uthatha wonke 3 point sekuvalwa amehlo sekuthiwa hayi lutho amaZulu athi hayi ayanqaba kodwa amasendawana avela.
Ngibingelele uSikhura odumile.
Sure.
Yazi namhlanje umuntu uzolala kamnandi.
Ubuthongo.
Solala ubuthongo ngithanda ukudlulisa nje okukhulu ukuxolisa ku-Orlando Pirates ngoba manje beyibheka ukuthi sizolala. Ngiyibonile ke seyihamba namafleki. Nambe kahle.
Iflegi belilikhulu la.
Iflegi belithenga ngene igoli la flegi belikhulu belilapha ngaphesheya. Laphela la. Ngithe ngiyabona sebeyaphuma sebeyahamba igame ingakapheli.
Yeah.
Amabhakabhaka ncenseni mabhakabhaka. Le ndebe le eyethu. Niyazi nani eyethu. Njengoba siqale kunina nje sinidedise endleleni dedani ngempela ke manje eyethu le ndebe
bathi bona bayovuka ngekhosi ngomgqibelo
anginakuphawula ke ngemizi
awuhlangene nalezo
mina ngikhuluma indaba zabanye abantu ngikhuluma ngeendaba ze-team yami ngithi i-cup eyethu le ngiyabonga
siyabonga kakhulu Yolanda uyibone kanjani wena igame namhlanje
hayi ngendlela bengiyipredict ngayo ngisasuka endlini amaZulu anabadlali abaningi abancane iexperience iyashort thina bekumele simanage igame ngeexperience bese siyiwenela igame sithatha 3 point isihambe sekhaya lokho asikwenzile namhlanje bazame ngakho konke indlela abafana njengegame abayidlala nePirates yokuthi bezama ukuthi iPirates ingawutholi 3 point but ngoba sisutholile u3 point thina kusijabulisa kakhulu lokho noma bese kuyingasegcineni but u3 point iwona bese uzela.
But akubanga lula as everybody would have thought ukuthi kuzoba lula because now amaZulu were balanced. They also got more opportunities now. I remember the 1-on-1 in Ngwenya no Williams but they couldn't get a goal.
Lento engisho ukuthi abafana abancane basafuna ukuyithengisa they are giving all their best njengamanje uma bedlala ngibone nasemuva abo Kicken Allen bebedlala benze ngakho konke no who's this guy Mthethwa benze ngakho konke emuva Allen noMthethwa benze ngakho konke bebe defend emuva but experience njengoba usho utholi 1-on-1 lapha uplace ibhola hayi ukuthi niyoza ibhola keep uyaliplace lapha nithathola 3 point inhambe bebezo slida if bakore qala lela goal beslide beqeda Sundowns amandla but Sundowns ngeexperience ngeke uziyenze lutho yona bewinisa igame namhlanje.
Any message to ama Buccaneers before Sval?
hayi ayikho into engizoyisho kubona ngithola i-chance ukuthi ngidlale ngabo angifuni ukuza igama lokuthi ngusiduma ngabanye ngithola i-chance ukuthi ngidlale nayo i-draw ekhaya ngathatha u3 point wami khona phakathi e-FNB engisasho Orlando bayilethe e-FNB ngoyitshe ukuthi mhlawumbe amaqanda ayosebenza kahle but awasebenzanga kahle ngathatha u3 point ngahamba i-derby anginendaba nayo ngisho bengadlala i-draw ngizwileke kuthiwa nomakhelwane baba engathi bathola isibhaqi namhlanje angikho lapho esibhaqini but mina ngoba ngizenzele ngisho ngawina
Awudinga ukusiza omunye
angidinga ngisiza omunye umuntu ngisho ngawina nge-weekend Pirates izobe ingaphambili kwami ngama-game mina ngiwadlalela ama-game njengamanje we are level ngama-game mina ngisebuyele endaweni yami ikwerekwere liphansi
hayi ayivalwe everybody was expecting ukuthi mhlambe siyakuyi-draw kodwa that wasn't the case wena ubone kanjani umdlalo
umdlalo umuhle kakhulu namhlanje Sundowns sidlalile kakhulu uyabona Ntsabeleni today was a performance kakhulu angiphathi kundamana namhlanje ke ubazi iblock emuva bevale yonke into kodwa siyabonga ukungena kwa-Alende ukuthi akwazi ukuthatha lamabhola lawo abaloku eboxini engathola umuntu ngoba uqaleke lokuqala lashaya ipala unfortunately and he come back finished report siyabonga now we waiting for next game.
Sandawana wena ngifuna ungitshela imessage oyithumelela iPirates uthanda ukuthini nje kwi-Orlando Pirates
into engizoyisho nje kwi-Orlando Pirates ukuthi hayi sayithatha iligi yethu
iyaziwa ukuthi obani abanini bayo iligi ayikhulumisi
yazi
no well done Professor kakhulu injabulo ngiyibona wonke amasandawana ziyaduma manje
kabuyela bafethu Sandawana bafethu let's keep on supporting the team khohlwani imedo uthi thina imedo vele ohlala against South Africa thina siqhubeke support i-team thina ocoach bayofika behambe abadlali bayofika behamba ama-fans ohlaze khona siphumele sonke njalo siyobuye siyosupport abafana kabuyela amasandawana
dako